In this tip of the day, let's take a look at a toolpath group command that's only available within OneCNC Lathe Professional and OneCNC Lathe Expert. And this is the Post All command. So what is the Post All command and how can you use it? Well, let me quickly demonstrate. In this example, we're machining a part on a lathe that uses a sub-spindle. Here's my main spindle geometry. I have a main spindle toolpath group, and I performed a roughing operation and a finish operation. All right, now for the sub-spindle, I've just taken the geometry, rotated it 180 degrees, and I've applied my toolpath in a separate toolpath group called sub-spindle, and I performed roughing and finishing. And it should be noted that we're using a separate toolpath group because we're using a separate post processor for the sub-spindle. Now the goal here is we want to create a CNC program that is processed from all of these machining operations. We want to generate one CNC program from both of these toolpath groups. Well, we can do that by using Post All. If we right click and select Post All, that means post all the toolpath groups, post all the machining operations to create one CNC program. I'm just going to call this tip processall.nc. We'll click save on that. Let's overwrite that. And here we go. We have one CNC program now that's been generated from all of those toolpath groups. And that was easily done by using the Post All command. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.